Without a special event and without prior notice, Huawei has just launched for sale in Mexico the new HUAWEI Pura 70 series, including 3 models: the base model, the Pro model, and the Ultra model. So the Pro Plus model has remained exclusively for China, but it is a model that did not have many differences compared to the Pro, so we will not really miss it considering that the Ultra model will be available for us. This availability in Mexico has occurred simultaneously with Malaysia, so it seems that these have been 2 of the countries chosen by Huawei to kick off the global sale of this series that catches your eye no matter how you look at it. In other videos, I have told you about the specifications of these models, so let's focus exclusively on the prices, which I think was something we all wanted to know because generally prices in China are much lower and competitive, and then outside of China they tend to increase too much. However, I must inform you that in this particular situation, Huawei is providing discount promotions and gift accessories, thereby making the entire package highly appealing. In Huawei's official store, they have published an open letter to users instead of holding a launch event, where it says, "Dear users, 12 years ago we launched our first smartphone from the HUAWEI P series. Since that time, we are very pleased that hundreds of millions of consumers all around the world have utilized the devices belonging to the P series in order to record numerous unforgettable moments from their lives. We deeply appreciate the support of our consumers. Imagination is the source to discover new possibilities. By utilizing the power of imagination, the HUAWEI P series has consistently pushed the boundaries of mobile imaging and aesthetic design. We never stop moving forward, and our limitless imagination takes us to new heights. Today, we are very excited to announce that we are upgrading our HUAWEI P series to HUAWEI Pura series. Pura celebrates the design of expressing oneself creatively, harnessing limitless imagination to make the impossible possible. Pura challenges the current limitations of mobile images to provide a better photographic experience for everyone. Pura also integrates fashion and technology, being a pioneer in unique and modern design innovations for consumers. The HUAWEI Pura 70 series will be available in the near future, so please stay tuned to our website for updates. In all 3 models, Huawei is offering the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 3, which are their most advanced fully wireless earbuds and boast excellent quality. I already possess a video review of them in the event that you desire to acquaint yourself with them, and it additionally incorporates an unexpected package. This unexpected package has a probability of 80% of being a Huawei Band 9, 4% probability of being a Huawei 11, 15% probability of being FreeBuds 5i, and a 1% probability of being the Huawei Mate X. So, at best, you could end up with a very attractive gift, but I think any of the gifts would complement the purchase very well, whether for yourself or to give to someone else. The simplest version of the series will be offered in pink, white, and black color options, with a 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage capacity, priced at $19,999, although it should be noted that the prices in this location may differ from those in other places. However, Huawei is offering a 30% discount coupon that will last practically the entire month of May, as its validity is until May 24th, so you have many days to take advantage of the 30% discount offer, with the final price being $13,999 Mexican pesos. But remember that the prices here are not the same as those over there. If you think it's still too expensive outside of Mexico, let me tell you that within Mexico, this is an extremely competitive price, considering that this device integrates very good features from its base model. But let me now inform you about the price at which the Pro version will be available. This device is offered exclusively in white and black colors, and it includes the same gifts and surprise packages, all for a price of $23,999. In this case, it is the 12 GB RAM model with 512 GB of storage, and a 20% discount coupon is available, bringing the final price down to $19,199. There is no doubt that Huawei is setting very competitive prices because it needs to regain a good number of users, and it seems that both in Mexico and Malaysia they have seen the opportunity for growth. And finally, the Ultra model comes with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage in green and black colors. Personally, the green color is the most attractive to me, and in this case its price is $309.99, but there is a 20% discount coupon available, so the final price is $247.60, and I insist that it seems like a very competitive price considering the specifications of this device. On the Mexico page, Huawei does not provide information about the processor used in these devices, but on the Malaysia page, it is disclosed that the Ultra model is equipped with the Kirin 9010 processor, as well as the Pro model. However, the base model is not using this processor, which would be the most advanced currently offered by Huawei. With its Kirin series, it is instead making use of the Kirin 9000S, which is a slightly enhanced edition of the processor that is currently being utilized in the Huawei Mate 60 series. So they are extremely appealing gadgets. I'm looking forward to acquiring them in the near future so that I can perform unboxing, review, camera comparison with other devices, performance comparison, and basically everything we can do regarding these devices because I have a strong liking for them.